Alright, so we are visiting today the Argyle Waterfall. So it was named after the river along which it is located. The Argyle Waterfall is the tallest on the island, 117 feet. It's a 20 minutes walk. The triple tide flow cascades into deep crystal clear pools, perfectly suited to a refreshing swim. Alright, a 20 minutes walk, so yeah, we're getting ready to hit that trail. Beautiful day, man, beautiful day, beautiful weather. Well, you know, I'm always fascinated with birds and nature and stuff like that. So these are some of the birds around the Argyle Waterfall Nature Park. So we have the yellow-bellied Eleanor.
I know this one.
Call him name, Caleb.
Yeah, cattle egret, bear-eyed thrush,
Banana quit,
bad
and shrike,
and
male and female, rufous, vented, chakalaka, the wood creeper, the motmot, Venezuelan flycatcher, tropical kingbird, rufous, blue marlin, blue heron, sandpiper, white-tipped dove, palm tanager, copper-rumped, red eka, smooth bellani. You know, we have a lot of these birds back in Trinidad, eh? Pale-vented pigeon, rudy brown dove, white fringe, and wren. I haven't seen this one around. The rufous vented chakalaka, I would like to see that. Alright, so this is the trail here, people. This is the trail here. That's the trail there. Heading up to the waterfall there. So we're hitting the trail in a bit. Oh, Caleb would have come here already, right? Caleb, watch me. Yeah. You would have come here already, right? You could recall what it was? Yeah. How old was Caleb actually when he came to this place? Maybe about 4 or 5. Alright, so we are heading up this trail now. All the way to the Argyle Waterfall. It's about 20 minutes. 20 minutes walk. We have a lot of cocoa trees. Alright, so we passing one of those copper they used to boil the sugar in. Look at it. Nice trail, man. I love some lovely cocoa trees. Beautiful scenery here, man. Along the tree is like a bamboo arch. Look at it. So we're on the way to Argyle Waterfall. Yeah, that's the trail there. We're moving along. You know, I didn't know that, but the young shoots of the bamboo are edible. Whoa. Alright, so how's it going, guys? Enjoying it? Nature? You have a vlogger in the background there? Look at the bamboos. Look at the bamboos, people. All towering up to this beautiful man. You could remember being here?
Yeah.
What do you remember about coming here? What do you remember exactly about coming here? Bamboo? Nothing? Long time ago? Too long ago? I'm just amazed by how this shed is actually covered in plants, eh? Look at that. Really nice roof there. All nature, all nature. And you have some parasite plants growing there on those trees. Alright, so we are moving along very nice on the trail here. How's it going, Caleb? Good? Alright. Hello, Prudence. How's it going? Good? Yes. Alright. Yeah. Alright. How's it going, guys? Really nice. Emily, how are you enjoying it so far? Good? Very good, man. Right, so we kind of navigating through a kind of rocky terrain now. And you know, you just have to be a little bit careful. But it's not rainy season, it's dry season. But you still have to be a little bit careful because it could be a little bit mossy. And the river is just slowly running by. It's dry season, people. And the water is just cascading, coming down slowly. Really, really nice. Really, really nice, man. Look at that. I think you have some people up there already. Really nice. Look at that water, people. Look at that water. Wow. Let me just give you guys a little close up on that water there. Whew. Look at that pool out clear. Wow. Whew. Get up! Get up! What's up, man? Alright, so this is the part that we are waiting for, man. This is the waterfall here. As I said, it's dry season. And, I mean, it doesn't have as much water. But look at this water here, it's so clear. Wow. Caleb, you waiting to get in? Get in, man. Don't fret. Get in. You going up? There's some fishes in the water here, man. Look at them. Fall up there. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful day to be in the outdoors. So this pool is about they say it's about 18 feet deep maximum. Right, so we are on the rocks. What we having here? Some watermelons? Looking fresh, man. I usually think to hydrate from, man. How we going there? Alright, so we're on the rock. Wow, refreshing, refreshing. Whew. I'm gonna take a swim. Woo-hoo. Look at that, people, look at that. Woo. Look at that. Wow. Woo-hoo. Wow. How's it going? Good?
I think they say this should be about what, 18 feet deep?
18 feet deep, yeah.
Wow.
Whew. How's it? Refreshing? Cold?
Refreshing.
Wow. Really nice. My thumbs up there, man. Woo. Emily. Mommy. How's it going? Good, man. I have Gina and Regina climbing up there. Wow, look at that view up there, people. Look at that view. Argyle Waterfall in Tobago, man. Look at that. Look at that. Bamboos just creeping over the waterfall there. All fun and adventure, man. Look at the view from up here, people. Look at the view. Really, really nice view. Wow. And that's the part here. Wow, look at that people, look at that. Wow, all nature. Woo. Argyle Waterfall, people. Bashi. Emily. Alright, so we're heading back down the trail here now. It's a little bit steep, but manageable. But I'm not regretting going to the top of the waterfall. It was really, really nice. Emily?
Yeah.
I really, really enjoy it. The rocks are sharp, careful, eh?
Yeah.
Careful. I think the kids are enjoying this. Can I give my thumbs up from there, man? Southwest Adventures, man. Emily. Yes, man. Here we go. Down we go. Careful. Woohoo! Watch the rocks. Down we go. These guys are barefooted. Are you guys barefooted? Wow, you can see the pool along there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Mommy! Caleb! Emily! Let's go. Very good, very good. Watch me, guys. Give me a thumbs up now, man. Look back. Emily, watch me. What's up? What's up? Alright, you so steep with this, guys? It really is steep. Use your rope, yeah? Yeah. There we go. Come in front of the camera here. My thumbs up, man. Thumbs up. Right. So let's go. We're going to go to the waterfall. Ready? Huh? Alright, so we are making our way back out. Caleb is taking the lead up there. Caleb! Caleb up in the point there. We're making our way back out. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it. Wow, look at those bamboos. Wow.
That's
A bamboo arch. I can take a shot with you guys there, no?
Yeah, that is really nice.
Right here. Oh, look at those flowers. Really nice. First time I'm seeing this.
In Jamaica called bamboo.
Look at this, people. This is really, really nice. This bamboo arch here. Just over the trail. Really, really nice. Ooh, look at that. So we're heading our way, making our way back from the Argyle Waterfall.
The advertisement.
All right, we meet Mr. Sean. What?
Parisian.
He does some craft with bamboo. Look at some of his work here.
At the Argyle Waterfall, you know. So
These are all his work here.
Simple things for simple people, you know.
Simple thing for simple people. Look at it, guys.
Whenever the visitors come through, man. It's good for them
Really,
to
really
see
nice craft here.
some local work.
Local work, man.
Not made
Nice.
in China or anywhere else, you know, but made in Tobago.
That's a manta ray,
Yeah.
sea turtle.
Different portraits out of the flora, the fauna, the land and the sea. So you know. So
Flora and fauna people. Look at
yeah,
it.
and the land and the sea too, you know, don't let them leave that out, you know.
That's a sea there.
You walk trails and you dive and you snorkel and stuff when you're here on vacation, and this is most of the things that you would actually come
Look at his work, man. So we're on our way out from the Argyle Waterfall, and we just encounter him along the trail.
Yeah, man. And you know, it would be nice for your visitors to see that you give a little local support. You know?
Really, really
You
nice
think
work
of free
here.
money spot?
Let's go a little side.
You think of free
This
money
is
spot?
this is a seahorse.
What did
So this is what we call a silk cotton tree. So we encountered this along the trail. They usually associate this tree with Jumbie back in Trinidad, right? It's a traditional folklore kind of stuff. Yeah. Look at it. Silk cotton tree for you guys who don't know about it. Have a lot of some pickers on it. Look at it. Wow. Whoop. Huge tree though. Huge tree. Wow.